Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle, cooking and a lot more. So आज की वीडियो है a beauty services related. So I'm sharing my experience to date. लिटरली मैंने इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि मैं अपने चैनल पे इससे रिलेटेड कभी भी लाइफ में वीडियो बनाऊंगी. सो आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो जस्ट टू शेयर यू माय बिकनी वैक्स एक्सपीरियंस. सो disclaimer that any guy watching this video, please back off because guys, this is strictly for girls. So I hope you don't watch this, and this is especially for girls. You can watch other of my content which can be related to you, but this one is not for you. So girls, let's begin. So I never thought कि मैं बिकनी वैक्स करूंगी in my entire life, but I did that today. So the experience, if I'll tell you the pain tolerance and everything, so मेरी पेन टॉलरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. मुझे लाइक छोटी सी चोट लग जाती है उसके लिए भी मुझे एक्सट्रीम पेन होता है. सो यू कैन इमेजिन मैं कभी ये सोच भी नहीं रही थी अपने लाइक वाइल्डेस्ट ड्रीम्स में कि मैं कभी करूँगी. और इनफैक्ट मैंने अपॉइंटमेंट करी तो भी मैं ये सोच रही थी कि शायद आई विल नॉट डू इट. आई डू रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स बट नॉट दैट. बट I managed to did it, and yes, it was painful because imagine when you do wax on your legs. So obviously it's painful, isn't it? Because they pull hair and doing it on your sensitive area, so you can imagine that the pain is 2x. So that was the same with me. And the other thing is this, also it's so important to choose a right waxing person for you, because I went to a place where she do services from her home, and she's so popular in Indian and Pakistani community in UK, and she perform her services from the house, and she's reasonable but also her skills are fabulous. Like मैंने इंडिया में नॉर्मल हैंड्स वैक्सिंग भी कराई है, तो मैंने इतनी क्लीनिंग और इतनी हाइजीन का ध्यान रखते हुए किसी को नहीं देखा. एंड अबाउट हर, शी wore gloves all the time. She was having paper sheets before doing the waxing, and she was even not applying any moisturizer with her bare hands. She was always using a sheet to apply the gel and everything. So I was so satisfied with her cleaning and everything. And she was so soft speaking, so soft speaking. So that's why things went smooth with me. And I think getting a right person is the main thing in the bikini wax. So that's what I felt. And still, I feel soreness in my skin and a bit of a discomfort. So it's better to let it breathe and let it cool down, because obviously that area have gone through distress. So yeah. And what if I have to rate the pain, so out of 10 I will say pain was 7. And for obvious reasons, because obviously I'm also sensitive, that's why I felt pain. And if you're not sensitive and your pain tolerance is fine, then I think you can smash it. It's not gonna bite you or anything. But yeah, after that you're gonna feel sense of accomplishment. And मुझे ये था मरने से पहले एक बार करना है, राइट? क्योंकि मैं बोल सकूं कि हाँ, ये भी कर चुकी हूँ मैं, राइट? तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं ये बोल दूँ ओ आई नेवर डन इट, इट्स स्कैरी और व्हाटएवर. सो मैं लाइफ में हर चीज़ एक बार ज़रूर करना चाहती हूँ. इफ़ यू आस्क मी द क्वेश्चन कि मैं क्या दोबारा करना चाहूँगी, सो मैं कहूँगी इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द आफ्टर ग्रोथ, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू नो कि करने का फ़ायदा भी है क्या, मुझे एग्जैक्ट ग्रोथ आ रही है लाइक अर्लियर, or either it's improved, or I feel that the hair quality is better, or the skin feels better. So I will decide this once I'll have the experience after growth. So yeah, so this video I just made because I really wanted to share the experience, because you know what, I wanted to do everything first time and make a video about it, because for you guys, so that you can feel. Have you noticed that I made a video on gallbladder, and then it turns out that a lot of people need the information and it turns out to be a right decision, right? So maybe this video is gonna help you. So if you're sensitive like me and you think you won't be able to do it, I don't think you won't be able to do it if I done it. Like मेरी मम्मा When I delivered my daughter, by chance, I don't know, there was some complications. That's why we ended up doing the C-section. So my mom said, "Oh God, thank God you gone through a C-section, because I cannot trust on you for going for a natural birth." So I think you can imagine if my mom was thinking that C-section is the right decision, because it happened due to my pain tolerance is very less. So you can imagine this was epic. I managed. She's not there, but she's always there with me. So yeah, so I just want to say, if you wanted to do it, you can try for one time and then see how it works for you. And I think you should take a time, ask the person to stop in the middle, so that because you know what, if you're feeling the pain, you're feeling the pain, right? You cannot just avoid it just because the other person feels uncomfortable, or she's gonna take more time or whatever. I to ask her to stop in the middle and let me feel how I feel like, but I managed to do it, and it was all great. The skin feels still sore, but I hope it's gonna be fine. So that was all for my experience, and obviously I cannot film the process, because as I mentioned you, it was a home service. So I don't want other person to feel like that I'm filming her home, so that's why I didn't film the process. Like obviously I can't film the proper scenario of it, but at least I can just hold the phone towards my face and let you know my pain tolerance. But I couldn't do it because I did a home service, but it was a good experience. If you'll ask me how much I paid in UK for doing so, so I did a full body wax. So for that, she charged me £60, which is equivalent to India's 6,500 or 7,000 rupees. I know it's freaking much. I know. In India, you can do it in 1,500 to 2,000 to between 3,000, depends on the place you are going to. So, yeah, but I did it first time and I paid this much because this is the cost of living in UK, right? So, obviously, you have to give this much. And if I would not be going to a home service, going to some sort of saloon, so you can definitely imagine it to be for the full body wax to be around, you know, £100, that which means near about 10,500 something. So but still, it was a good experience. The lady was nice, the hygiene was good, nicely maintained by her, and yeah, it was a good experience. Still the pain is a bit problem, and still the soreness is there, but I think you can give it a try and you won't regret it for sure. I think मरने से पहले वो हर चीज़ कर लेनी चाहिए जो दुनिया में है, क्योंकि so that आपके साथ कोई regret ना जाए. So that's what I learned, and that's what I'm experiencing every day. So thank you so much for the video. I don't want to make it lengthy. Already I spent it 8 minutes on this, and I hope this has helped you a little bit in the sense of knowing the pain if you're going for first time. So that was my experience. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video with something else, new topic, reason. So I'll see you next time. Have a good day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me doing things more, more for you guys. And I really wanted to film more, because your appreciation makes huge difference. So thank you. See you next time. Have a good day, and also I wish you all the happiness and good health. Bye bye.